Hi guys, and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I hope you're doing well. So today I have another Temu haul for you guys. I picked up a lot of new cool stuff which I wanted to show you guys. This video is also sponsored by Temu. They send me everything for free, but I got to pick what I want for me, which is really nice. I absolutely adore Temu, you guys. I'm in love with this website. Not only that, they send me a lot of free stuff. Also, I purchase a lot as well on their website because they are really very affordable and they are extremely popular right now. Everyone is talking about them. So whenever you guys find good stuff and you want it, just grab it because the stuff sells out pretty fast. I will link all of the products down below, like whatever I picked up for this haul, and also I will link their website and all details in my description box, also in my pin comment as well. If you're new to Temu, you can use the code PIG4836 to save an additional 30%, which is fantastic because they are already really very affordable and they always have really good promotions going on their website. Like currently they have Father's Day sale going on for up to 90% off, which is crazy. So yeah, anyways, let's get started with this haul. So here is what we are working with. I want to film the haul like this so that you guys could see everything better. First thing, I picked me up these reusable storage bags for my kitchen. I thought these were so cute when I found them on their website. I was so interested in these. You get 5 of them for $5.67. I like that it is see-through. You can easily see what you have in your kitchen cabinets. Here you can see I filled little bit cereal to show you guys how it looks. I think these are so slim and pretty as well. I'm so excited for these. Next up, I have this makeup traveling bag. It's leather on the outside. This one is also pretty good material. When you open it up, here is what you get. It's really good for traveling, and for the price, it's fantastic. I want to say you can fit in quite a lot. So here you can see you can fit a lot in this, like 2 or 3 medium size of makeup palettes or foundation, setting spray. Like it's very easy to travel with this. I really like it a lot. I also grabbed these makeup tape. You can use it to create wing eyeliner or brows or pretty much anything. It was for only 89 cents, and as you can see, it's pretty good quality as well. I think it's an amazing find. Next up, I have these hoops, a lot of different ones. I thought this set was amazing. You get 12 different ones. So this is first set. These are the all styles you get in this one. I love the pearl ones. All of these are very elegant and stylish, I must say. I like the silver jewelry, so I thought I would grab these. Then here is the second set. Really cute hoops. You have pretty much like everything, all sizes and styles. And here you can see me wearing one of my favorites. These are pretty good quality, I wanna say. Then I grabbed this really cute glass mug. It's so elegant and delicate. I love the way they packed it because nothing was broken. So here is what it is. It comes in a couple of different colors, but I love this clear one. It's so classy, I want to say, and I love this wooden lid as well. This is one of my favorite finds this time. I think it's very elegant. I might buy more of these. It's so cute. Then I grabbed these one pair face wash wrist hair. So this is skincare sleeves. I always wanted to have one of these, but I never find it anywhere. Picked up at Temu for only 89 cents, which is an amazing price for these. And it fits perfectly, really soft, great material, and it's very comfortable as well. So yeah, I have this. Then I grabbed these Bluetooths. I thought it was for only $9 and few cents. I thought I would give it a try. So here is how you're going to receive it. It was all packed, and I love the fact it's white on the inside. For some reason I thought it's going to be black. but here is what you get. It's so elegant and cute, as you can see, and honestly, by seeing it, the quality feels amazing. The earbuds are very comfortable on the ear. It wasn't charged, so I have not tried it yet, but I'm so excited for this because this looks really good. It comes with charging USB, of course, and a really cute find at Temu. I cannot wait to try it. For makeup, I have this blush from Temu. I love the fact there is a expiration date on the package. I love the packaging for this, so I grabbed it. Here is what you get on the inside, and when you open it up, this is the pan. The pan reminds me of Pat McGrath Labs. It's crazy how similar it is to that. You guys, the formula has shocked me. It's incredible. I cannot believe it was for only $3 and few cents. It's buttery smooth, it's long lasting, looks gorgeous on face. I love the glow it gives. It's not cakey at all. I would highly recommend it if you guys want to give their blush a try. I would say try this one right here. It's incredible. I still cannot believe how amazing this formula is. Next up, I have this cute cat dress hoodie from them. For clothes, I only have one item, which is right here. When I saw this on their website, I thought it was really very cute. But honestly, I'm not huge fan of this material. It's very thin and lightweight. Like it feels cheap. But when I wore it, it looked cute. I would wear it at home. Then I also have this really very cute umbrella. This umbrella quality is insane. It's like high-end brand umbrella, you guys. Honestly, it's extremely sturdy, and I love the fact it's like huge. It's too big, like as you guys can see, and here you can see the quality on this. It's very well made. So yeah, if you want a good umbrella, I would recommend it because the quality is great on this one. So happy with this find. Next up, I have this sun protection driving gloves. I drive a lot, so I thought I would give them a try to protect my hands from sun. So here you can see that's how you would wear it. It's very lightweight, but I'm not sure if I'm really going to use it. But the quality is great. I have no complaints. It's breathable and lightweight. Next up, I have this wax paper 50 sheets. The quality for this is amazing. I love it so much, and it's a very useful stuff. For only $4 you get 50 sheets, which is a very good value. So yes, I would recommend this if you guys want these. So that be all for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this little haul and the review. Thank you so much for joining me today. In case you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to thumbs up the video. I would appreciate that, and consider on subscribing in case you are not already. I post shopping videos all of the time here. So yes, you guys, I'll see you soon. Take care and bye bye.